there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this website design in Canva for a portfolio or a graphic designer or anything else that you want. So let's start, but first make sure to subscribe. So first of all, we're going to open up a Canva template in which is going to be our website. By the way, this template for website is for free, given in the link in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. So first of all, we're going to increase our website panel from the below part on the bottom part, and we're gonna make it long. Then we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle onto the right top corner of our entire template. And the next thing I need to do is decrease its width and decrease its height and make it fully rounded from this option. Then I'm just going to remove its color from inside like it's fill, and I'm going to give it an outline, a straight simple outline with a color gray. So for now, the color palette that I'm using for this website is gray, blue and black. So first of all, what I'm going to do is decrease the size of this in new text box that I have inserted. The font you need to use must be simple, and you gotta make sure that it is like long but very thin. And I'm just gonna duplicate this same text box using Ctrl+D key, and make sure that you remember that this is going to be our navigation panel where we will write all the navigation buttons. So first we had home, then we will add an introduction page, then our works page in which we have put all our works or whatever designs we have made already. And next we will have our facts, like the questions that people might ask about you and your work. Next, what I am going to do is insert another one corner rectangle but onto the left top corner of our entire website, and also make sure that you decrease its width as well. But you need to make sure that both these rounded corner rectangles that we have put here are of the same size and same width and height. Next, what I'm going to do is insert a text box in it after changing its color to black. So this text box is going to be our same text font that you use for the other right side round corner rectangle. By the way, the font that I'm using is Cooper Hewitt, so you can also use it, and it is for absolutely free in Canva. Next, what I'm going to do is basically increase the size of this text and give it a gray color, because the white color would make it look too much flashy. So I just want to make my entire portfolio a bit professional, and for professional colors you don't use very bright colors. So next I'm going to add my introductory text in which I'm gonna write everything that I want. For this I'm gonna use two different text boxes. The first text box is for the salutations. The second text box is going to be about my name or whatever the portfolio is for. Then I'm just going to use thinner font for the name and the other text, and for the salutations I'm going to use a more darker font and something that is very bold. So for now I'm gonna go with Anton font. We're going to insert this line from shapes which have two circles onto its end on both ends, and I'm going to make sure that I put it as vertical. Next, I'm going to decrease its weight to 1 from 4, and I'm going to put it before its. And what I'm going to do is change its color to blue. Next, I'm just going to duplicate it using Ctrl+D and put it onto the right side and the ending of our name. Next, what I need to do is basically add a straight rectangle like this. This is going to be a plain rectangle, and I'm going to connect it with my text and with this outline. Then go to layer and then send it to the back, and make sure that we decrease its transparency. Duplicate it again and put it right here but below this text box. Go to layer and then right click and send it to the back again. This is how our template looks like. You can decrease the transparency more if you want. Next, I am just going to insert my other text, which is going to be our description or whatever the thing you're using. I'm going to insert another rounded corner rectangle, which I'm going to make a bit less rounded corner, and I'm going to give it the same transparency as I gave to those other rectangles. And I'm going to insert the image for the portfolio that I'm going to be showcasing. This can be any image that you want to use, but for your portfolio, and make sure that you use a simple image Next, what I'm going to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle but a frame onto the top of that same rounded corner rectangle. But in this, I'm going to put my image, whatever the image I am using. Now we have to go to another like page. This is going to be our second page design. So what I basically need to do is just change the text and insert a text box. For this, I'm going to be using Canva student font because that looks a bit funny and like which will look a bit cool, and I'm just gonna put it right here. As this is a graphic designer, you can use multiple fonts you use, and this is a website where you can find cute symbols, so I'm just going to use it. And what I'm going to do is just put it next to my text, whichever the text I use. I'm just going to duplicate it again and again, and I'm gonna make a long chain for the text with those symbols in between every alphabet or every letter. So this is how it looks like right now. By the way, I will put the website link in the description below. You can check it out, and this website is absolutely free. Next, I'm going to insert another rounded corner rectangle which will have the color blue, and I'm gonna make sure that I give it either a glow or I can just give it a drop shadow. Here we go. I'm just going to insert another text. This is just my text. So this text, and then I'm going to insert another image from edit. I'm just going to make sure that I change its color to blue because our main color palette is a blue color. So I'm just going to use every image in blue sense, and what I'm going to do is make sure that I put everything on the place clearly. So here we are. Next, what I'm gonna do is basically adjust everything onto my entire slide, and I'm just gonna insert round corner rectangles with text in them, and these are going to tell me about the picture. So I'm just gonna put where I am from and what I basically do. As I'm a graphic designer, I'm just gonna put the details in there. Next, just below this rounded corner rectangle, we can see this space right here. I'm gonna insert a text box, and in this I'm just gonna put my name, like the full name which I have. So basically we're gonna go and search for an arrow, and I'm just gonna insert this simple arrow. By the way, all the things that I have used in this template are absolutely free. You do not need a Canva Pro for that. So that also helps. Next, I'm going to put this arrow, change its color to blue, and make sure that it is pointing towards the text on the right side. Next, I'm gonna go and search for this. As you can see, a gradient purple star in Canva, and it is for free, by the way. You can just put it right here, and I'm gonna give it a color of blue. As it was purple, I've made it blue, and then I gave it transparency to make it look a bit more perfect. This is a star, a gradient purple star. Search for that in Canva elements and you will find it. And I'm just gonna give it a blue color as well. This background looks perfect. Next, what I'm gonna do is basically go to text box, and from here I'm gonna insert a text. This text is going to be about me, a hire me page. Before our work, we need to insert a hire me page from where your clients can like access you, or they can hire you from there. So here we're just gonna insert our text which says hire me, and we're gonna just put other stuff in here. So I made this text right here, and now what I'm gonna do is just put more text below it, which is going to be our subtitle type thing. Here we go. Then we're gonna add a hire me text, and for this I'm just gonna use a simple Canva Sans font, and I'm just going to decrease its size. Here we go. And then what I'm basically gonna do is just add my, we're gonna go to elements. From here we're gonna search for a pen circle, which is basically a circle made from a pen. Let me just put it right here, and I'm just going to decrease its size, and I'm just gonna put it right here on hire me text, and I'm gonna make sure that I use the color blue for it as well. Now this is what our website looks like right now. What I'm gonna do is make a works page next to this. So that is basically going to be my showcase, where I'm going to be showcasing my all the stuff, like whatever the posters I made or the designs I created. So I'm just gonna put all of them one by one into my template. Let me just speed it up so that it doesn't waste your time. You just need to put them, and I'm just gonna use a corner rounding of 31. Let me just put it right here. Now we're gonna right click on them, go to position and go to arrange, and from here we're gonna rotate them. For one poster we're gonna use a 90 degree, for the other I'm gonna use minus 90 degree, and then for one I'm gonna use 0, and for the other I'm gonna use minus 45 degrees, and similarly I'm gonna use 45 degrees for another one. So basically you just need to use opposite in negative rotation for the opposite poster design. So this is how it looks. You just need to add some more posters in the remaining place. I'm gonna add this strip, which is going to be an image, and because this is a black color, I'm gonna remove its background first. For that you can use the remove.bg website, and I'm just gonna go to edit, go to adjust, click on invert right here in the color. This will make it white. This looks just perfect. The next thing that I need to do is go to elements, and from here I'm gonna go to shapes and insert around the corner rectangle. Just add the last slide that we have right here. What I need to do is change its color to blue. Here we go. And I'm gonna add reviews by my clients right here. This is a very simple slide that you need to make. I'm pretty sure I don't need to give a tutorial for that. But next what we're gonna do is increase this website's length, like the page length. And we are going to put our facts right here, like the questions the people might ask and the answers to them. So this is just text and some images that I took from Pinterest. You can remove their backgrounds from remove.bg.com, and our entire website is ready. So this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna go to animate, click on page, click on magic animation. You can give it magic animation, or you can just give it a simple page animation, either rise or anything like that. I'm pretty sure that is easy, but if you want a tutorial for animations as well, you can ask me in the comments and I can make that as well. Then we're just gonna go to magic animate, and the final animation that I end up choosing is after checking all of these animations, because I sometimes like most of these. So basically the ending animation that I choose was professional. Because this is a portfolio, it needs a professional animation. From here you can add a navigation menu as well from this bottom part. So this is how our entire website ended as. You can see, you can also check it out in a phone menu as well. This shows you how your website looks as a desktop, and from here you can also check out how it looks like on a mobile phone. So this is how it looks like right now. After doing all of that, that was my entire tutorial. I hope you like this and you got how to make an entire portfolio for yourself in Canva. It's very easy. So if you want this template, you can check out the description as well.